If there's one thing video games have taught us, it's that there's always a cheat to make the game easier. It turns out that like video games, life is full of cheat codes as well. Do you have trouble falling asleep at night? Maybe you have a tickle in your throat that just won't leave you alone. Or perhaps you need some immediate relief from a nagging toothache. If the answer to any of these questions is yes, then these awesome life hacks are for you. In this video, we bring you 7 body hacks you wish you knew earlier that'll make your day-to-day just a little bit easier. Before we go further into the video, be kind enough to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. 1. Apply ice on your hand to soothe a toothache. If you have a toothache, rub some ice on the webbed area between your thumb and forefinger. A study found that this can relieve pain by up to 50%. A handful of experiments have backed up this hack, implying that as long as you put some ice in your hand, on the same side of the body as your sore tooth, and rub the ice in the space between your thumb and forefinger for 7 minutes, or until the area turns numb, it will relieve tooth pain. Why does it work? Researchers believe ice stops pain signals in your brain. 2. Write down your feelings if you're stressed about an exam or upset about something. A study found that people who were nervous before an exam and wrote down their feelings performed better than those who didn't. We recommend that you use this technique for any kind of stress or for anything that's bothering you. Writing it down will help you get it all out and make you feel a lot better after. 3. If you're in a noisy place, have people talk to your right side. The right ear responds more to speech and logic, while the left ear is more tuned into music, emotion, and intuition. Scientists believe it's because speech is processed primarily in the left hemisphere of the brain, while music and other creative functions are processed in the right hemisphere. 4. Chew gum when you're stuck in traffic to reduce your frustration. Chewing gum is thought to increase focus via a reduction in stress and anxiety. Chewing gum contributes to success by improving short-term memory. Previous research has helped to determine that chewing gum helps with stress, anxiety, depression, and self-focused attention, and helps reduce frustration and impatience. 5. Press your tongue firmly against the back of your teeth to prevent a sneeze. It's risky to try to stop a sneeze after it's started, but if it's already started, press your tongue firmly against the back of your teeth to halt it. If the sneeze has already started, look at a bright light to make it get over faster. 6. Strike a high-power pose to boost your confidence before an interview. We tend to think that if we feel confident, our demeanor will automatically become confident. But research shows that the opposite is true as well. If you strike a confident, high-power pose, it causes your brain to release a flood of testosterone, which will make you more confident for real. 7. Turn the water to cold at the end of your shower to prevent acne. Cold water tightens your pores and reduces the overproduction of sebum and excretion of acne-causing bacteria. In contrast, hot water opens them and does the complete opposite, leaving your skin more prone to irritation. 8. Put deodorant on a mosquito bite to stop the itching. Antiperspirants and deodorants are great. They help us reduce sweat and mask body odor, preventing many potentially embarrassing situations. But while their day job is to keep us dry and smelling great, they double as an anti-itch solution as well. That's right, your antiperspirant can be used to reduce and eliminate itching caused by mosquitoes, spiders, or any other type of insect bite. 9. Cough while you're getting an injection to avoid the pain. Research shows that coughing once before and once during the shot can help some people feel less pain. Relax your arm. If you're tense, it can make a shot hurt more, especially if you tense up the area where you're getting the shot. And it's a wrap, guys. Thanks for watching till the end. If you know any body hacks we might have left out in the video, feel free to share them with us in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next video.